Hi, I'm Dani. I'm the Dark Skies officer for Project North and Eryri National Park. Dark Skies is about more than just the stars. You can also really reduce your carbon footprint and also your electricity usage by adopting dark sky friendly lighting. Project North has been working across North Wales to reduce light pollution and the carbon footprint of everybody's lights by doing a retrofitting programme and changing the lights on businesses and people's homes to make them much more friendly for dark skies. Dark skies doesn't mean you can't have any lights. Dark sky friendly lighting are lights that point downwards, are fully shielded and are only used when you need them. And most importantly, they need to be a warm colour temperature because that's better not just for carbon but also your health and the health of our wildlife as well. Darkness is really important for our wildlife, our biodiversity and our ecosystems. We do say that half the park is after dark, and that's when a lot of our wildlife is most active. Over 60% of British wildlife is nocturnal, so it depends on a natural darkness to survive. Too much artificial light at night or light pollution can wreak havoc on ecosystems. It's really important that we get lighting right because it can really interfere with things like our insects, our migratory birds and our favourite types of wildlife, things like our hedgehogs and our glowworms.